There he is. The best part of coming home again is my birdie bird. Mordecai, I love having you just hanging out on my door frame, waiting just to make my day. Such a camera hog you are, turning around, showing off those beautiful feathers to me and to everyone at home. What a gorgeous bird. Pretty cool every day coming home just to see my birdie bird. Yep, a stretch from the normal and back to just looking good hanging out on my door. All right, Mr. Mordecai. Yep, we're talking to you. Oh, he's back in camera focus, taking his perch as normal on my door frame. Have a great day, Mordecai. Enjoy, everybody. Goodbye.